Last time on The Bill. Okay, we've got everything buttoned up. I only got a couple of little things to mess with, but it's just tweaking and fine tuning. Now we're getting ready to take it off the stand and put it in the frame. Okay. All right, let's unbolt the motor mounts. Okay, we're getting ready to drop our engine in place. Ran into a couple little things. The headers are a tight squeeze, so we decided to take them off before we drop it in the frame. And our alternator obviously is not going to fit. It's going to hit this bracket that we have in place for the rack and pinion system. So we'll probably have to take the alternator and move it up here a little higher. It'll still work out all right, but we're going to have to take it off and get it out of the way and deal with that later.
Bottom one's still threaded. Lower it, let's see what it does. That's looking better. Look at this. I think it is. Alright, now that we got our motor mounted in with our 2 bolts to the motor mount, what we're going to do is we're going to remove the bell housing so we can put our clutch in, put the bell housing back on, bolt the transmission up with the cross member, and then it'll be sitting where it needs to be.
Okay, we're getting ready to put the Muncie transmission and attach it to the bell housing. We got our clutch in place, so really all it is setting it in and putting the bolts in.
Putting the drive shaft in. Line's lined up. It's gotta go all the way in. There you go. Now you should be able to get it in place.
Okay, we're getting ready to move the rolling chassis over on the left so we can fit the headers and do a little work on the front with the alternator. No, I think we're getting there. Keep going. There it is. All right. There. Just need to tear outside ones started. Okay, after a little bit of finagling, we got our headers to fit. Tight fit, but they work.